Hey Big Reviewers, it's Maddie here. Today we're in Albion. We're going to have a look at Fonzie Abbott. In a sea of boutique and commercial roasteries, these little guys have something big to say about coffee. Let's check it out. Now, Fonzie Abbott is a great cafe, but when it comes down to it, it's a bunch of guys who just love a good roast to make sure that you get a damn good cup of coffee. So next time you're in Albion, come down and educate, explore and experiment with Fonzie Abbott's coffee. See you next time.